Today, we're diving into the interesting world of the Pashto alphabet. Did you know that in Pashto, letters can change their shape depending on where they appear in a word? Let's explore how this works. Pashto uses a script that comes from Arabic and is written from right to left. Each letter can look different depending on where it is in a word. By itself, at the start, in the middle, or at the end. Some letters do not change form in certain positions of a word, and we will show these letters. First, let's look at an example word, Pashto, which means cat. The word starts with the letter P, has the letter Y and Shin in the middle, and finishes with the letter Wow. Now let's take a look at the different shapes of each letter of the Pashto alphabet. At the top, we have the letter when it is by itself. And this is how a letter looks like when it appears at the beginning of a word, as in the word anar, which means pomegranate. The same letter aleph changes its shape slightly when it's in the middle of a word, as in the word mar, which means snake, and remains similar when a word finishes with it. Now let's see the initial form of the letter B, as in the word bicycle. In the middle of a word as in kebab, and at the end of a word as in sarkatib. These next letters that look similar to B follow the same rule. Here is the letter P in different shapes, T, and more. Here is how the letter Jim looks like in different places of a word. The next similar letters follow the same rule. The letter Dal is different, and it doesn't change shape at the beginning of a word. And the next letters that look similar to Dal follow the same rule. To recap, each letter in the Pashto alphabet can have up to 4 forms or shapes: isolated, initial, middle, and final. Now please practice these with others, and thank you for watching.